Hi there, welcome back Ranasam YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss some another topic in this digital marketing channel. So I have found this topic by the help of YouTube. Recently, when I was watching the new a video on the YouTube, and I got it. I wanted to make the video on this specific topic. But before the starting this video, I would like to tell you. So India has been lost their semi-final race yesterday, the day before yesterday. Unfortunately, because I was expecting India has been win this World Cup easily, because in the final we have the Pakistan. So India to win this World Cup very easily. If I'm comparing the last year World Cup, because if I talk about the last year World Cup, so we have the New Zealand. So this is a big dream right now. If India does not win against the New Zealand in the semi-final, yeah, final in the ICC event. So our dream has been lost recently, because because India has been lost already in semi-final day day before yesterday. I remember, and I I shocked when I was watching the match. India did not able to get the one wicket in whole match, honestly. And when I we actually in our company we are watching the World Cup in whole World Cup whole inning, and we are not accepting India bowler actually trying to does not trying to get the wicket. And I talk about the body language of the Indian player extremely bad. That's why India has been lost this match, honestly. And before this video, I'm expecting India win that World Cup very easily. And we are talking about on this we were talking about on this specific topic. I remember, but honestly, dream has been down right now. And let's see that next World Cup will be play in India. If I talk about the 50 hour World Cup, but honestly, if I talk about the main reason of the lost in the semi-final, the playing, the, if I talk about the situation, the playing situation of Indian team is not like to playing the T20 cricket. So this is my scenario at my end. But let's see if next year the next 50-year World Cup will be play in India. If I talk about the today question, so I already told you I have got it this question by the help of YouTube. And I was thinking to get the more awareness about this video, this question. But unfortunately I got the 9 point about this question, and I will share one by one in this video. So if you have come on this YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe this YouTube channel until the watch this video. If you want to come in digital marketing sector, yeah, you also working in digital marketing sector, because in this video I'm sharing the very vital information to with everyone. If you are working in digital marketing sector and you want to make the your work very easily, and you want to finish your work very easily, so you should know about this kind of understanding. So let's start. If I talk about the total question, so top 5 tool in digital top 5 tool as free tool in digital marketing. So if I talk about the basic understanding, because this is a main motive for this YouTube channel, so that's why I have to talk about the digital marketing. So we know very well that digital marketing is a kind of communication. We can engage our audience by the help of digital marketing and by the help of internet. And if I talk about the digital marketing, the subcontinent of internet. If internet has been stopped, the digital marketing also stopped, but it will be not happen in the world. So that's why the digital marketing booming up, because we have the 5 to 6 billion audience right now on the digital platform. If I talk about the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, So this is a digital platform right now, and as an organic search result also. So that's why the digital marketing moving, because that everybody want to shift on the online mode, not for offline mode. So that's why the digital marketing booming up right now. So if I talk about the tools, so this is a types of tool in digital marketing is a completely free tool. If you are working in digital marketing sector, so honestly you should know about the everything on this on that tool. And you if because that tool actually help for us to make our work very easily. And if I talk and one of the biggest reason we can use those tool, because this is completely free of cost, and this tool also provide for us by the help by the end of Google. So that's why we should know about everything for that those tool. So if I talk about the first of all, we have to talk about the why we can use tool. Because if you are working in digital marketing, so everybody say we can do everything, we should do everything manually by the we cannot use tool. But honestly, if this is a mirror of the right now in the digital marketing industry, because if I talk about the digital marketing industry, the sometime company have the lots of project, lots of pressure by the help by the end of the client. So that time we have to use the tool. Because if I talk about the work, if you are checking everything by the manually, it will take lots of time compared to tools. The tool giving the better result. I know that that manually is the better compared to tool, because we should not depend completely on the tool. But honestly you have to knowing everything about that those tool if you are working in digital marketing. So let's start. If I talk about the first tool, this is the one of the best tool in the digital marketing industry, Google Search Console. We can If I talk about the it is a kind of platform how our website communicate with Google. If our website have the some kind of error, so we can see in this tool. If how many impression get the our website in a month, in a week, in a day, how many click, how many CTR, error, sign map, everything we can check in this tool. If I talk about the one of the biggest reason why we use this tool, because we can easily manipulate every error by the help of this tool. Because if I talk about the Google search console, we have the lots of stuff in this tool. We can manipulate the toxic link by the help of Google search console. We can download link and we can manipulate the toxic link. If we have the toxic backlink, so we can disallow the backlink by the help of Google Search Console. So this is one of the biggest tool right now. If you want to check how your website communicating with Google, so you should know everything about the Google Search Console. How many error in there in your website, so you should know everything about the Google Search Console, and you can very easily overcome your website error. You can make your website mobile friendly very easily. So this is the one of the biggest reason why we use this tool. If I talk about the second reason, if or second tool, Google Analytics. If I talk about the Google Analytics, so Google Analytics actually knowing about how our website to communicate with our audience. If I want to know I am getting the one audience in the Delhi, how I can know? I don't have any kind of platform in the digital marketing. I can track my audience, the city, and device and particular activity. So this tool actually give for opportunity. We can find out that city, city, country, area, everything by the help of Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is basically has, if I talk about the new model of Google Analytics, actually I'm learning right now Google Analytics 4. If you are working in digital marketing sector, so you should know everything about the Google Analytics 4, because if you are working older version with older version, so we know very well that older version will be closed around I remember to 31 July 2023. If I am not wrong. So if you are working digital marketing, you make the yourself dynamic. You cannot depend one tool every time. You have to learn a new tools and new technique. So that's why if you are working digital marketing, so you should shift on the GA4 right now, and the GA4 give the better result compared to the Google Analytics older version. So this is a basic introduction of Google Analytics. If you want to know more, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And I'm sharing to a particular course on that specific topic, honestly, in the coming year. And so that's so. If I talk about the third tools, Google Trends. Honestly, you are thinking I'm sharing to everything all about the Google tools. Yes, because this is a completely free tool. You can use very easily. You can track everything what you want to do in the digital marketing uh, campaign. So actually, if I talk about the third tools, Google Trends, if I talk, so honestly, if you right now, if you want to upload a blog on your website, you don't have any kind of idea, the audience engagement, your topic have the popularity or not. So Google Trend give the opportunity. You can track the popular everything by the help of Google Trend. A Google Trend is a free of cost tool in the digital marketing sector. If I talk about I'm giving the one example, the one of the biggest example right now in the IT sector. If you are confusing which course best for you, digital marketing or data scientist. So honestly, you have to go on the Google search engine, type Google Trend, and type again one column digital marketing and another side data scientist. You can easily see how Google digital marketing and how data scientists uh, growing up right now. So if you are confusing the which one best for you, so you can track the record everything, last 1 year, last 10 year, like last 5 year, last 1 month, and last 7 days. You can track everything what you want to know in your particular education, in your particular professional, in your particular trend. So that's why if I talk about the name of this tool, you can easily understand actually this tool giving the information how right now trending up in the world. And that's why we can use this tool, we should use this tool, and we can make the our website trendable in the world. So that's all. If I talk about the third tool, honestly, this is another Google tool and free of cost tool, Google Keyword Planner. If you are working in digital marketing sector and you don't know what is the Google Keyword Planner, honestly, you are going in the wrong direction. If you can drop your career, you can switch another sector. The Google Keyword Planner honestly is a completely free of cost tool. If I talk about why we use Google Keyword Planner, the Google Keyword Planner give the idea for us how the audience search on the Google search console right now, searching on the Google search engine right now. So that's why you have to use Google Keyword Planner. I am not suggesting you, not suggesting you, you can use only Google Keyword Planner if you are doing keyword research your company. You can use this tool by the just for getting the more engagement, getting the more idea. So this is a completely free tool, and after that you can use the paid tool like Semrush and HREF. I will make the video on this specific topic paid tool honestly in the upcoming video. in the coming video. So that's all on the this tool. If I talk about the another tool, this is another Google tool. Honestly, Google Tag Manager. If I talk about the you are working in SEO, you are working in social media marketer, you are working in programmatic advertiser, anything else. If you are working also digital marketing manager, and you don't know what is the Google Tag Manager, honestly you are making your work very hard, honestly, because the Google Tag Manager is a kind of tool. If you are working if you want to connect your website for Google search console, whether you uh, Google Analytics, whether your website, whether your tag, whether everything, event, click, everything what you want to do in the digital marketing sector, honestly you should know all about the Google Tag Manager. I'm also recently learning Google Tag Manager, because my one friend has been suggested me. I have the lots of I have strong command Google Analytics, but I am lacking by the end of the Google Tag Manager. So if that's for I'm suggesting to everyone, if you are working in digital marketing sector, so on you have to learn everything about the Google Tag Manager. That it is a very easy, it make the our work very easy, and we can track everything, our event, click, we can connect our website by the help of Google Tag Manager. So that's all in this video. If I talk about my new plan, so honestly we will discuss very soon on my YouTube channel my new plan. I have already discovered the name of my new plan as your new month, as you update every month. But honestly, I'm giving the promise to everyone. We will discuss definitely at the end of this month, and I'm creating the idea how I can introduce my new plan on my YouTube channel. So that's all in this video. If you please like and subscribe and share this video. If you have any kind of issue, please put the your issue in the comment box. Yeah, if you have any kind of question, you want to make the video on your specific question, so please share your question in the comment box. I will make the video definitely on your specific question. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.